In this video, we will look at how Armstrong QuikStix soffit framing tees will help you save time, material, and labor on your projects by framing soffits directly off suspended acoustical grid. First, we will snap a chalk line to mark where the QuikStix framing will attach to the acoustical grid. Next, a quick measure of the border before cutting our angle. Screw attach locking angle mold, or lamb, to the acoustical grid and the wall. Locate your lamb molding height and depth to represent the size of your soffit. This soffit will be 6 inches by 12 inches, but much larger soffits are possible with QuikStix. QuikStix framing tees have a unique golf tee shaped knockout located on 6-inch or 8-inch centers. Determine if your soffit is divisible by 6 or by 8 inches. This will indicate which knockout spacing minimizes scrap on your project when bending tees to frame out your soffits. The corresponding arc of alignment holes adjacent to each golf tee shaped knockout make 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90-degree bends simple. The flattened out bulb makes cutting and bending the tee easy. Just bend, then put a screw through the appropriate pilot hole. Now it's time to install your soffit tees. Since the locking tabs are lined up on the acoustical tees, simply engage your bent soffit tee with the locking tab. QuikStix can be installed with bent soffit tees ranging between 24 and 48 inches on center in non-seismic areas. For span and spacing limitations, consult your QuikStix data sheet or speak with your Armstrong installation specialist in your area. If you can wait to frame your soffits until after your acoustical grid has been installed, imagine how much steel can be saved by not having to frame your soffits to the structure. This type of savings can directly impact the delivery of a project ahead of schedule and under budget. After installation, screw attach your vertical tee to the lamb. A final piece of lamb angle on the outside 90-degree bend squares up the tees with no measuring and just a click. Screw attach the lamb after trimming off the excess. After you have framed your soffit, attach the acoustical grid directly above the soffit to structure using 12-gauge wire. For demonstration purposes on this video, the plenum depth above the soffit was kept shallow. The greater the plenum depth on your project, the greater the potential savings by eliminating steel framing to structure. Next, I will focus on how easy it is to fill in the tunnel at the end of an open soffit when you are using drywall grid. Simply take a piece of cam utility angle and screw attach it to the acoustical grid above. This creates a nailer of sorts for your 5/8 drywall to screw into. Since drywall grid's half width, that is, from edge of flange to bulb, is 5/8 of an inch, you can simply tuck a piece of drywall in to close off this opening. Regular drywall application to the front of the soffit with corner bead will finish off your soffit. At the point where your drywall integrates with the acoustical ceiling grid above, attach drywall tear-away bead or mud on flange angle by others for the above acoustical panel to rest on. With QuikStix, your soffit possibilities don't end with simple 90-degree soffits. Stepped and multi-level soffit framing is possible too. Just look at the vertical framing that was eliminated on these projects. And yes, as I mentioned before, QuikStix soffit tees can be positioned as far as 4 feet on center in non-seismic areas with 4-foot drywall cross tees on 16-inch centers running horizontally on the vertical and horizontal planes. Contact your Armstrong installation specialist for details.